Today's topic is calculate. How we can use calculate in DAX. DAX do two kind of jobs. The first job is it can change the filter context partially, and the other job is it can do the context transition. So first of all, we will check its behavior with the example. Let's go to the demo. First of all, we will talk about how calculate can change the filter context partially. So we have different tables here. So we will use the same example, product color. So what we can do is it's a color is there, and again we can make let me select it, and we can make it a little bit bigger. Values. Okay, so and again I can show you the same measure here, total sale, and total sale, you can have a look. So it is a sales amount, okay, sum of sales amount. And if I drag and drop total sales, and you can have a look, we can, these are the product color, and each product color have different sales, okay. And this is the filter context. This is the filter context. With the green we can see individual sales for each product color. If I want to change this filter context partially, or how DAX, how calculate will help us. Let me create one more measure here. Say I can name that color red sale, and calculate is the only function in DAX that can allow you to change the filter context. So we can use calculate. It's a very important function. And then what I can do is here is calculate, the first parameter for the calculate is the expression, and we can use the expression that we have already created. It's a total sale, and then we can do we can add one filter. This is like product color is equal to red, okay. So now I can confirm it, and then what I can do is I can drag and drop here, and here you can have a look. We have a red. This is the red product, and red product has this sale 1206171, and you can have a look. Here we can see the same sale here. So let me open this measures, same window. So how red sale, where is the red sale? red sales. Okay, so in the KPI, okay, so we were using the red sales as we have created in the other video. So this is the red sale that we have created at the moment. Okay, so how this calculator is working? When we use in the first parameter, we are using total sale, and then in the filter we are saying that okay, the product color should be red. So what calculate is doing? Calculate is replacing this whole column with the red, with the red cell. Okay, so that's why calculate is ignoring any filter like black, blue, brown, and it is replacing every color with the red. So there's this whole column, color column should be replaced with red. So that's why we are getting everywhere the same value, as you can see in the red, 1206 171. So this is the same value as we can have a look here. Okay, and what we can do, one more thing, we can add one slicer. So let's go again with the product table, and if I say okay, class, so if I choose deluxe, so then what is happening here, it is still filtering with the class deluxe, but color, now there are two filter. One is the class deluxe, and the other filter is color. And it only change the color in the first column, because let me put this measure in the group so that we can easily find out. Okay, so here is the DAX expression for the red cell. So now what is the filter context? Filter context is the red, and then the class deluxe. If I choose economy, and then what is happening, it is showing me the sale for the red product, and the class is economy, and the same with the regular, right? As you can see, the regular same 1206 and 1206. Okay, as I'm saying is in the formula red cell, it is only replacing the product color with red. If I but it will not affect any other column or any other column in any other table. Okay, for example, if I go to the same table, and then I let me drag it here, and then I select this, and then I can remove the color from here, and then what I can use here, I can use maybe brand. Okay, so you can see different brand here, and if I make it little bit if I change the position here. Okay, so here you can have a look. See, let me open the formula. So in this case, see, we are getting different red cell values if I use different column here. So what does this mean? Why it is showing me different values for each brand? The problem is with each brand, this filter does not affect this product. Red color is only applicable to the product color column, but it will not replace anything to the other columns in the pivot table, right? So that's why it is not changing anything. If I put color again, color here, and brand here. Okay, yes, you can have a look. For this we don't have any. For the for this brand we don't have any sale. But if I click on the, if you have a look at the adventure works, here you can see same values. Why it is happening? Because adventure works and with the adventure works we are able to see different colors, but the values are exactly the same. Why is it happening? Because due to the product color red. I mean, this calculate has replaced the product color column with the value red. That's why it is ignoring anything here, but it's not ignoring the adventure works. Okay, so what we have seen here, when we try to change the filter context partially, we can use calculate. Why I'm saying partially? Because it only replace the color for the product color. Because in the calculate we have used only the product color column, and that's why it only affect this column. But this calculate does not affect any other filter, like this filter. One filter is coming from the slicer, the other is coming from the brand, and the third one, I mean the third one is coming from the calculate side. Okay, so I hope you have seen that how to use calculate and how calculate can help if you want to change the filter context partially. If you have any question, you can write in the comment box and I will try to answer and clear the concept. Thank you.